Do you own a lot, or are you thinking about tearing down and rebuilding in Southwest Florida?
Most people don't realize building a custom home here isn't just about design. It's about navigating permits, budgets, and finding a builder who actually can deliver on what they promise you.
At the Key Builders, we specialize in luxury custom homes across Naples and Southwest Florida, handling everything from site evaluation to final construction with precision and transparency.
We intentionally take on a limited number of projects, so every home gets hands-on attention, clear communication, and a controlled, stress-free build experience.
If you already own a lot or you're planning a teardown, you can get an exclusive quote tailored to your property, your vision, and your goals.
Click below to request your exclusive quote today and take the first step towards building your dream home in Southwest Florida.